What's inside the SaveSage app? All your reward points in one view. SaveSage helps you track and maximize reward points across all your credit cards and loyalty programs. Card recommendations. SaveSage suggests the best credit cards for you based on your spending, reward preferences, and eligibility. Manage your credit cards. SaveSage helps you track all your credit cards in one place. Get insights into reward earnings, redemptions, and available offers and milestones across your cards. Manage your loyalty programs. Track 100 plus loyalty programs and understand your tier benefits. Know the value of your points and get insights on earning, redeeming, transferring, and optimizing them. Travel using reward points. Explore flights and hotels that can be booked for free using your reward points. Know whether the redemption value is good or not. If you don't have enough points, SaveSage tells you how to transfer points from your credit cards. Savvy. Savvy is your credit card and rewards assistant. Savvy helps you get more value from your spending and reward points. My Feed. Offers and updates. The feed keeps you updated on relevant offers, reward news, and actions you need to take so you never miss a rewarding opportunity. Consult a human credit card and rewards expert anytime, anywhere. Our experts understand your needs and provide personalized recommendations to help you get the maximum return on all your spending.